Hi. So let's start with first of all, what is our milestone? And in first milestone, we have to cover the eBay, mercenary, and pushmark. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. So here we are, and that is my extension. Actually, I have uh, as it's the same UI as the previous extension which we are using as a for reference. So I just have created a new icon for it as we can see it. So eBay, Mercenary, and Pushmark, and I have added these websites which are which are listed in our reference site. In our first milestone, we have to make it work with the eBay and Mercenary and Pushmark. So that's in the eBay, that's in the Mercenary, and there's also an uh, that is also in a push mark. And last thing here you have described that we have to authenticate user, and if a user is a first time login, we have to give it a 7-day trial, I think. So the trial, and we have to user have to buy a package. I'm going to implement this functionality in last stage, because first we have to make it work with the most of the sites. If it's working properly, then we're gonna implement our like a charging system. So in second place, we have to make it work with Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and Deep and Etsy. As you can see that that is in a Facebook, Deep, Etsy, and Instagram. And last we have Shopify, Vinted, and Grilled. We have Shopify, Vinted, and Grilled. So most of all of the I think sites are covered in it. There is also the Australian and Canadian US versions, which is also described in our reference site. Mostly we are going to be copying the previous extension most of time, except that we are using our own charging system through weak sites. So let's test it out if it's working properly. Let's first go in there. We are just want to this push mark site to the eBay. We want this first paragraph to show in our eBay listing. So here you can see our icon like in previous extension. If I'm gonna press it, it's going to send us in the next slide. It's a process in which we going to take a previous process, searching it from this site, adding to your account, and moving with pages, and taking previous image URLs and adding in there with cost and value and title, whatever the values we are getting from previous extension. You can think it like an our preview extension. I mean reference extension is working same in that way. These are our images listed, title, brand, color, and also I think that by pricing standard. I think there is also an location height. So now you have to just click on listing, or if you want to add other fields, you can add it here. Yeah, so that's how it's working. It will be working with other sites also if you can attest it. So if we have, if you have any questions with it, like testing with other site, send me the uh, account for other things if you wanna test it. And I think it's working with most of these. It's CNG because the process same. We are taking images and putting into other places. Same. And this is a we gonna need to connect it with Wix site to charge its customers. I think that's all.